How to upgrade vmail software from 2.1.6 to 3.x version. Go to the main window of vmail software version 2.1.6, click on Tasks, and then click on Backup Data. The Backup Data window will appear. Click on the Browse button and select Backup Folder, or you can create a new folder for backup data. Click on the OK button to confirm the selected folder. Now click on the OK button to start backup data processing. The backup operation completed successfully. Click on the Close button and sign out from vmail software. Now uninstall the older version of vmail software. Go to Control Panel and click on Program and Features. Find and select vmail and click on Uninstall. The older version of vmail uninstalled successfully. Let us download and install the latest version from the Falcon Megasolutions vmail web page. Click on the Download Software button. The new web page will appear. Click on the Download vmail button. This included all required files in a single zip file. Though I have already downloaded and installed vmail's latest version. To learn more about vmail installation, please watch the installation video. After downloading and successfully installation, open vmail software. A login window will appear. Enter the username and password and click on Login. The settings window will appear. Close the window and go to the top menu of the main window. Click on Tasks, and then click on Restore Data. Restore Data window will appear. First, check the box of Restore Data of vmail version 2.1.6 or below and then click on the Browse button. Find and select the backup folder and click on the Select Folder button to confirm the selection. Now click on the Restore button to restore all older version data to the new version. Restore vmail data operation completed successfully. Check your emails and continue using vmail. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.